guys, welcome to KaizerChiefsYethuNetwork. My name is Karabo. I'm with Spiwe and Ufumani. So today we'll be diving into the Kaizer Chiefs games versus Magesi.
Yes.
Kaizer Chiefs won. A win is a win. I will not dive into that match too much. But they won, and I think the strike really worked or something. What's your take on the Kaizer Chiefs versus Magesi game?
I want to talk about Orlando Pirates. I know it's Kaizer Chiefs and Magesi. No, I'm not criticizing. Relax. I don't want to confuse the videographer thinking that it's Kaizer Chiefs. I must explain. When you looked at the Orlando Pirates game, there was something that amused me. There's a goalkeeper called Ricardo Coates, man of the match. He literally got a draw for them, you understand? And he could play on his feet. Did you see the accurate passes that he passes? Did you see how he controls the ball with his feet? He's a baller, right? And I'm looking at him and I'm like, who's scouting for Kaizer Chiefs? Don't they see that this guy can be competing with Brendan Peterson for the number one? You understand? Imagine if we had him as a goalkeeper at Kaizer Chiefs, but Arioda will be having Bruce Bvuma Saturday. Li Takalani Mazamba. So Magesi ngayideli. Magesi inama player abo Masiani, not Happy Levi Masiani. Yeah, Raima. Levi Happy. So he is a midfielder. He's a very, very good midfielder. You have Abo Chimanda Ndare, Begadaleli Kaizer Chiefs. He's a striker. You have Abo Baloi, he's also a forward. So it's a team that can do something. You have Elvis Chipezeze mover to waste time. But in all honesty, they'll be playing in Durban. Bvuma kuphi konje venda ne. So they'll be traveling to Durban. So it's not going to be advantageous to them. And maybe the supporters might have forgiven them. The people from Durban will go and watch because they don't have an opportunity to watch soccer as often as we do in Johannesburg. So the game will be interesting, but when you have to talk about Chiefs, you see I talked about Magesi. When you have to talk about Chiefs, you run out of words and players to say what they must do because everybody in that team, the morale of the team is down. Everybody in that team, they are not doing so bad in terms of stats because they are number 4 and last year they were number 9. But in terms of how they play, because soccer, how you play determines the future, what's going to happen. You can't keep on winning scrappy and expect to be winning the league, right? So I don't see Chiefs dominating. They'll continue playing how they are playing because they don't have a solid structure. The next game number 20, the next 10 games will be very difficult for Kaizer Chiefs.
Okay, sharp. Score prediction.
Bazokoranyana 2 mhlambe this time.
2. Can I be the last one? Score prediction.
Before I dive into score prediction, it's good that sometimes when we we saw the team, it's also trying on their side. They were trending over the week, trying to do some team building activities. I understand. Post available gym and all of that. So the results were that 1-0 win against
Durban City.
Sorry, Durban City. So now I believe on the next game they need to go in that game motivated from the win, keep the form, and give us at least a little 2-0. But I believe it's not gonna be an easy game. I think it's a team that's also battling relegation.
Yeah, so that's the thing that's going to make it interesting because they're fighting relegation, those ones.
So I'll be a little bit realistic and harsh on this one. I see a draw, a 1-1 draw.
Okay.
Now I see it's either 1-0 or a draw.
Chiefs will win 2.
Chiefs will win 1-0.
1-0.
Like normal.
They lost so many games. Slow City, they always.
Yeah, stats Stats FC. City Chiefs in the past 5 games, they won once. Weekend. Magesi in the past 5 games, they lost twice and drew 3 times. So in the past 5 games, by 2 bahlanganisa amakhanda bana 6 points in the 10 games. Omunye uthole ngama draw, omunye uthole win 1. Mara ke a point is a point. So yeah.
So you see the draw is not far-fetched.
Yeah, because those ones, I don't think those ones will be going there for a win, Magesi. They'll be going there for a draw, but I doubt that they'll get it because now they are struggling. If Durban City, which never mind, but Durban City, which was there, Kaizer Chiefs is playing like Magesi, how do they play ball? So, anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is free, and we're still giving away the wonderful iPhone 14. In French, it's still iPhone 14. Thank you very much. Bonjour.